our creepy sky right now. Getting ready for some storms. There's like a little bit of circulation in one of the clouds. If you can see it, I think right there. It's over there now. Yeah, this is coming in quick. Everything is quiet. There's a lot of rain behind there. I have this stupid tree in my way. Hate that tree. Oh, you see lightning? There'll be a lot of turbulence in those clouds. A lot of dancing. See the lightning? Zoom out. Those clouds dancing. Coming. See it? Lightning again. Those clouds dancing over there. See the front, that line right there. God, I hope I don't get struck by lightning. Those are angry clouds. It's coming right above my head. I have nothing above my head right now. See the sheets of rain right there, just pummeling the ground. I just don't want to get hit by lightning. It's not even raining here yet. It's coming. Oh my God, you know what this looks like? It looks like it's rolling in the sky. It literally looks like it's rolling in the sky, like real craziness. I have to go in a minute. Get up on my stairs. Clouds are rolling. Like barrel rolling. Wow. It's getting ugly. It's coming so close. I feel like I have to back up. I'm like scared. Can you hear the thunder? Look at that little twister looking thing hanging down. It's like almost over my head. Wind's picked up. Alright, I'm going in. Bye.